Your mindset shapes your life and the way you see the world around you. When your heart feels heavy, even the prettiest days can seem cloudy. But when your mind is calm and open, even the tiniest things like the smell of your tea, the softness of your seats, or the comfort of your favorite hoodie can feel beautiful. You don't have to fake happiness, just start noticing the little good things that are already here. What you feel inside changes what you see outside. When your mind is in a negative space, it's harder to think clearly, especially when you're stressed. Everything can start to feel like too much, too confusing, and too overwhelming. When you focus only on the problem, it can lead to spiraling, overthinking, worrying, getting stuck in the loops of what's wrong, what's missing, or what might go wrong next. Instead, focus on finding a solution. What's in my control right now? What's one small thing I can do next? These questions guide your mind toward progress, not panic. You don't need all the answers right away, just enough calm to take the next little step. That's where your power is. Your mindset shapes the words you say to yourself. The way you think influences the way you speak to yourself in your own mind. Shifting your mindset from I can't to I'm learning can truly change everything. Saying I can't do this feels happy and closed up, but saying I can't do this yet leaves space for growth and hope. Little tips like this change the way you carry yourself through challenges. So speak to yourself like someone you love, someone you believe in, someone you're cheering on, because your words can either hold you back or help you move forward. So choose self talk that builds you, not breaks you. Good days often start in your mind. Our experience of the day often depends less on what actually happens, but more on how we choose to see it. It's not about forcing toxic positivity, pretending everything is fine, everything is perfect and beautiful, even when you're struggling. That's not real. It's more about noticing the small, simple things that bring a little joy, like sunlight coming through your window, your favorite song playing, or the way your room feels after you've cleaned it. Some days are hard, sometimes so dark, and that's okay too. But even then, the tiniest shift like being kind to yourself, taking a deep breath, or saying I'm doing my best can make everything feel just a little bit softer. It's like telling yourself, even if the day is messy, I can't control everything, but I can choose how I respond. The way you see the world begins with the way you see yourself.